The industrial manufacturing sector faces a growing skills gap, especially in automation, threatening operational efficiency and innovation. As automation technologies advance, there is a sharp demand for technicians trained in PLCs, HMIs, and control systems, far exceeding current supply. This gap spans from advanced engineers to entry-level technicians, prompting a need for innovative training like simulation-based learning that builds real-world readiness. Talent acquisition also remains a major challenge. Despite its economic importance, manufacturing struggles to attract new talent due to outdated perceptions. Social media and hands-on outreach are proving effective in reshaping this narrative, highlighting the rewarding and long-term nature of careers in manufacturing. To ensure future readiness, sustainable talent pipelines must begin early. STEM education, project-based learning, and intense hands-on training are essential. Moreover, hiring should focus on practical skills, not just credentials, to better meet automation demands. Bridging generational divides within the workforce is also key. Companies must cultivate inclusive, collaborative environments that honor diverse perspectives, reigniting passion and purpose across age groups. Leadership should emphasize continuous learning and the personal impact of work in manufacturing. Electrical Equipment Company is committed to serving the evolving workforce through expertise in both foundational and advanced automation technologies, training support, and operational insight. By addressing skills shortages, inspiring new talent, and supporting strategic development, the manufacturing sector can convert today's workforce crisis into a transformative opportunity. EECO stands ready to partner in that mission, helping industry leaders forge a dynamic, skilled, and future-ready workforce.